Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to open up this package with you guys on this new product that I got from the rag company. It's P&S XPRESS Interior Cleaner. So I went ahead and I ordered this off of Amazon for about $48 I'm excited to try it on my leather. I've never cleaned my leather. Well, technically I did. I used Meguiar's leather interior cleaner, something like that. But it's a 3-in-1, so it's not, specifically just to clean the leather. I'm going to be using this simple Trinova leather brush that I bought off of Amazon for around $10. Okay, so prior to me ordering this XPRESS Interior Cleaner by P&S, I was actually using this Meguiar's Gold Class 3-in-1 leather cleaner. And don't get me wrong, it's good and I liked it, but I didn't feel like it was cleaning as much as it should. And on top of that, I didn't like that extra shine that it was giving my leather seats. Okay, so with that being said, let's see how good the P&S Interior Cleaner cleans up my leather. Hopefully you could tell how dirty it is. The light might be a little bright, hopefully not, but I got a couple smudges right there. And you can definitely see that there's dirt inside of the leather creases or cracks. So let's find out. I'm not gonna be diluting the product. I'm gonna use it just straight out of the bottle like this. I'm gonna do a test spot just to make sure it's safe on my leather. Alright, think it's safe. Yeah, there's a big difference. Hopefully you guys can notice. I'm gonna peel the tape off and show you guys how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm seeing. And let me just dry that off. Wow. Major difference. That's a big difference. I love the cleaner. It smells good, honestly. I don't know what it smells like. I kind of want to think about pineapples, but I don't think that's the smell. I love how it leaves a matte finish and you know it's clean. So that's gonna do it for me. I'm just gonna clean the other side off, but I want to make sure that you guys can see what I'm seeing. So let me check the camera really quick. Okay, so yeah, you guys could definitely see what I saw. Look at that big difference. Wow. Left side is the clean side. Right side is a greasy, oily, dirty side. So pretty happy with this product. 10 out of 10 would recommend. And it seems to be safe on my leather. So if you're gonna check it out, just test it on a small spot and then move forward from there. Hit that spot one more time where I had the tape at, just to make sure it's clean. Got the job done. I'm amazed. It's a really good product. It's not even expensive at all. If you get the gallon by itself, I believe it's around $22 or $23. And then if you get this quart bottle, you're looking around $21 or $22 as well, I think. I'm not sure, but I'll put the links for the P&S product in the description. Wow.
That was legitness.
Big difference. The other really cool thing that I like about this interior cleaner, as it says it in the name, interior cleaner, not just leather cleaner, is that you can actually use it to clean your trim pieces, like this here, you know, the plastic here, your shift knob, everything, your dashboard. So it has plenty of uses than just your leather. So I'm gonna wipe down my floor mats, see how they come out. Pretty clean if you ask me. Alright, cool. So I just got wrapped up with cleaning the car, and everything looks really good so far. It's safe on everything. I tried on my leather, my plastic trim, my dash, and there's no residue left. It smells really good, and I'm pretty happy with the results. As you guys can see, it was night and day difference from when I put the green tape on the seat and what was it, half of the seat and on the armrest, and wow, it was amazing. I didn't think my interior was that dirty, but it was. So if you're looking to find something that's going to help you clean your interior and your leather seats, well, I think P&S XPRESS Cleaner is the product to buy. If you guys made it this far into my video, thanks for watching. I appreciate your time. Hope you guys have a good one. Peace.